Formula follows the forward-looking minimalist concept, integrating parts with the frame, removing redundancies, and hiding protrusions to create a streamlined appearance, which combines aesthetics with practicality and brings a unique cycling experience. Equipped with a 36 volts to 60W rear-mounted motor and a high-quality built transmission system, the power transmission is smooth and efficient. It is reliable for both commuting and traveling. It combines cutting-edge craftsmanship with practical design. The fully integrated headlights ensure safety while maintaining an attractive look. The 36 volts 10Ah battery has excellent endurance. The battery structure is waterproof and detachable. After being folded, its size is only 1000mm * 420mm * 750mm. It can be easily stored at home, in the office or in the trunk of a car. It fits well into urban life.